So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for Monday. So before starting the video, quickly discuss about the global market scenario. So if I start with Nasdaq, that Nasdaq it has um, it is really trading at, it has break its support area. If you see that this is a trend line, this is a support area where market has previously taken support, but now this time it has trading at break the support, recovered at the last time, but it is trading below, it is in its resistance zone. Okay, so Nasdaq it has break this its support. Similarly, if we see the Dow Jones also similarly it has break its support area. you know 34,592 is the resistance area for now. Okay, and if it is break this 35,297 these levels, then of course 33,700, all this level can be tested for upcoming days. Main thing where everyone is focusing is in China's market. In China, you will see that, sorry, if you see that its chart, it has really moving towards its downwards, and it has almost, if you see that from the last week, 1 2 3 4 5 6, on the last week it has uh almost 5% it has corrected in the last week, and now it is trading at in support area 17 17,930. This is a support area. If it is break that level as well, then 16,950 will be our next target. Why I am discussing about Chinese market? Because it will impact on our auto sector. Like, why auto sector? Means all the sorry, all the semiconductor things, electronic things, it will impact over there, as well as on our metal sector. It will also impact. you know there are different kind of news is going on China's bad debt loan. Lots of default are going on in China's. So let's see what happened. If we're talking about our market is continuously trading in a range. Sorry, if I remove all the drawings, for Nifty it is trading at very important support area. This is the zone is, if you support area, 19,300 to 250. This is the range to watch very carefully for the Nifty for upcoming days. If it is break that level 19,250 or 300 is range, if it is given a breakdown, then of course our next target for upcoming weeks will be 19,000 to 18,880, somewhere around here. Market will come here and retest that level. Of course it will be good, whenever market comes in this range. It will follow the total technical patterns, retest that range, and then further it can continue its move. So let's see what happened now. In the daily basis also analyze the bank Nifty as well. So bank Nifty, it is trading at multiple times support area. 43,000 426 is a zone where market has multiple time has taken support, but for now this is the 43,695 is the zone. If it is break that level, then 43,391 will be our next support area. Similarly, if I move towards the Nifty Finance, let me remove all the previous drawings. So for 19437, sorry, 19437, 442 is the support area. If it is given breakdown of that range, then the next target will be 19,200 for sure. Nifty Finance, if I compare between Nifty Bank, sorry, Nifty Bank, Nifty and Nifty Finance, Nifty Finance is comparatively more weaker than the other two. So let's see what happened in 15 minutes time frame for intraday basis analysis. So in 15 minutes time frame, if I move Nifty and little bit of adjust that here, so if market open flat and a little bit of gap up or gap down around 310. Somewhere around here market has sorry, market has closed. So our analysis will be very simple. For Nifty, this is the resistance area 19,388 to 19,400. This is the area. Only above that we can plan for further long. And similarly, below 19,250, below this range, there are a gap you can see. Of course, our main range will be 19,884, but yes, of course, all these levels will not come in a single day. So for that reason, 19,194 is a next support area for Nifty, and below that 19,141 will be our next support for Nifty. And if we talk about the resistance area, 19,388, and above that the zone is coming somewhere around 19,470. Okay, so this is the level for Nifty to watch very carefully. If it is given breakdown, sorry, 19,194 will be our next target, and below that 19,141 will be our final target for intraday basis. Below that we are not going to go for further selling because it will be very oversold in intraday basis, and we will discuss that for Monday's video for the upcoming downward levels. 19,100, 19,060, all this range we have to test that. Okay, now moving towards Nifty Bank. In Nifty Banks also 43,695, it is the support area so far. It is acting very good, and the resistance area first is 43,950. This is a zone to watch out very carefully. Above that 44,000 also, it's a round number. Of course it will also create some resistance for if it's going to move up. And similarly 44,200 also a resistance area for Bank Nifty. And similarly if I talk about support area, so 43,000 690 below, our next target will be 43,550. This is a support area to watch out very carefully, and below that 43,391 will be our levels. If it is break this support area 43,695, this range, we can go for a short with the stop loss of previous year closing, and we can get all these target for sure. Similarly, above the breakout 43,800, 890 will be our stop loss, and we can plan for long toward 44,640, 44,064 to 44,200 will be our target. Now moving towards Nifty Finance. Nifty Finance, if we see that, sorry, in intraday basis, the zone is 19,530. This is the zone, 19,530. Only above that we can plan for buying. If you are a safe player, if you want to play safe, you can go for 19,950. It will be of course the point you can capture, it will be less, but it will be much safer. Okay, and 19,550 above 19,620 is a zone to watch out. And if it is also given breakout, then 19,700 will be the support area for resistance area for Nifty Finance. Similarly, if I move towards the support area, if I talk about, so the first temporary support it can get from 19,376 levels. Okay, it is a very important area to watch out, and below that 19,000 300 will be the zone to watch out, and below that 19,200. All these are very important levels for Monday's market. Okay, if it is break, we can plan for selling with today's last day, Friday's closing price, and we will get this target. And similarly, after the breakout of that range, we can plan for long with the street. Our stop loss will be very straight. Okay, our main intention so far are the interest rate hikes and all the the negative global market scenario, whatever it is going on, it can start impacting our market from any time. It will be depends on the market mood whenever our views change, right? Any scenario can happen that we can plan for sell on rise, or after the good correction we can started buying from there. Like if I what I mentioned for nifty or nifty bank, if you see that in daily time frame, moving to, let's move towards the nifty another time. If it is come in this range 19,000, 18,890, sorry guys. So if it is come in this range, we are more technically sure about the momentum it is giving towards the to all-time high area. It can retest, and from here we can start accumulating further, or anytime market can came all this 19,400, 500 in this area. If sentiments are not that good, we also can plan for sale on rise. Of course I will discuss that in the upcoming videos. So what I want to say, don't fix your mind for selling or buying or anything else. Okay, just first market have to say, let market say that what is want to do. Say this trend line also in daily time frame will work as a very good resistance area. So first market, let market say what it want to do, and then we will do act accordingly. Okay guys, so that's all for nifty bank, nifty and nifty finance. I have few stocks to watch very carefully. If you see that the first stock is ICICI bank. ICICI bank, it is trading at its support area. If the overall sentiment are bad, if it is break that 19,000, let move towards the sorry guys, 950, this range. If it is break, then our next target will be 941. You can see that level very clearly. It will also a very good support area. So with the 2 rupees stop loss, we can get more than 1:2 here. So you can plan, if it is break 946, we will get very good target at 941. Okay, and similarly Axis Bank, it is trading in in this resistance area. If you see 944, this is the resistance area. If it is break that level upside, then 951 will be our next target. I am not planning for selling. For selling will go for ICICI Bank, and for buying Axis Bank is looking good. So for buying we'll go for Axis Bank. Similarly, if we see the Tata Power in 15 minutes time frame, sorry, it is trading in its very support area 230. It a very support area, and in the last 15 minutes good buying volume are also there. So with the 1 or 1.5 rupees stop loss, you can plan for Tata Power for intraday basis, as well as for swing 1 to 2 days. You can plan for Tata Power, and our target will be 233, 235. Also W kind of pattern also can be activated if it is break 235 level. So you can watch Tata Power also for buying. And there are two IT stocks which I'm going to discuss. Sorry. So 3 for TCS, this is the level I'm going to discuss, that is the support area 335, 3360. If it is break its support area, okay, then of course the next level you can see is 3331. This is the level for TCS, and similarly the resistance area will be 3380. This is the resistance area. If it is break that levels, so the next target we can get around 3400 to 3410 technically. So yes, 3380 above we can plan for long, and 3480, sorry, 3410 will be our target. Similarly we also can plan for in Infosys 1315. It is the resistance area. So for better understanding, I am changing the time frame to 1 hour. If you see in the 1 hour time frame, this is a very good trend line. It has taken support previously multiple times. So further selling, we can plan. There are two scenarios. whenever market come around 9 13 18 this area, like strong green candle like this, if it is make here, we can plan for a long. Our target will be 1395, 1400 in this range will be our target. Similarly, if it is break that level, this support line, if it is break, then you also can plan for further selling below that trend line. With the previous swing will be our stop loss, and we can plan for 1370. This is a very good support area, so we can plan for 1370 towards, if all the sentiment are bad, 1348. All this level can be tested for Infosys for upcoming days. And similarly for buying, 1395 is a zone to watch out. Above that, 1405 to 14010 will be the zone to watch out. Okay guys, so that's all for the video, and of course I will share the result as well in the Monday's video. And sorry, I'm not, due to my health condition, I was not able to make video for Friday analysis, but I will try as much best as I can for making daily videos. My health condition is not that good, so let's see what happened. Of course in Monday I will share the videos, I'll share the result as well, and best of luck on Monday, and have a good day. Bye.